Hello! Today is Saturday, the 8th of March. It's day 6 of my trip and I am in Tours. This morning I'm visiting the Saint-Gatien Cathedral. The Church of St. Maurice, founded by Lidorius, the second bishop of Tours, was succeeded by a new building completed in the middle of the 12th century. The Saint-Gatien Cathedral, built from the 12th to the 16th century, is Gothic in style. The 15 windows of the choir, from the 13th century, and the 3 roses from the 13th, 14th, and 15th centuries are remarkable. It contains the tomb of the children of Anne of Brittany and Charles VIII. I'm walking back to the accommodation for a quick early lunch and some rest. Then out again, as this afternoon I want to visit the castle of Tours. And here I believe we are getting closer to the castle. It's 1:39. It only opens from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. though, so I have time to walk a bit before it opens. That river is La Loire, by the way, and it's known for all the castles that are along its way. Alright, 2 p.m, so I'm going back to the museum. This is a Carolingian style castle dating from the 11th century. I think it's mostly used for exhibits like this. And it's actually entirely dedicated to art exhibits. So if you want to visit inside the castle, you have to see the art. I'm really enjoying the main exhibit about Italian photographer Letizia Battaglia. I'm here again. I'm out at 4 p.m, so I want to walk a bit more along La Loire. That's the name of the river. Okay, so this bridge you see, it's possible to walk on it. There is a path for pedestrians, but the cars are going pretty fast. And my main problem is that it's still up for a while. I would have to walk quite a bit and then take it back and walk all the way back on a path that's not so nice. So I am just going to walk back the same way I came from on the other bridge. It's going to be exactly the same path, except the other way around. But it doesn't matter, it's still prettier than just walking on a highway, basically. So that was that bridge there. And I am back on this iron bridge. Bike riders are like cyclists today and this year. So I'm back here basically. So that's the bridge I just took. It was another very nice day. I walked over 10 kilometers, so I'm now going back to rest at the accommodation. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you, bye!